Hi, my name is Vishal and I'm a senior trainer in multimedia education. I have a 18 years of industry experience and let's get started with the video. So let's do the UV unwrapping of this model. Before going into that, we'll see the outliner here. So I'll be deleting the history of these objects by pressing Alt Shift D, and then we have this one, nut geometry, and then this one as bolt geometry. And also I will freeze this. This is really important when it comes to certain tools like UV unwrapping and all. Okay, so let's assign a simple Lambert shader, and then in the color add a checker, press 6 on the keyboard, and then repeat it to 10 by 10 times. This is what we have got. So let's open the UV editor. You can change this to UV editing interface, and then we have this model. Okay, let me choose the cylindrical mapping for this, and then close that complete loop. I'm pressing 5 on the keyboard, and maybe we can hide this model for time being, and then selecting this line and then just cutting this, and here also cutting this line, so that separates this. Now I could select this particular face, apply planar mapping in the y-axis, and once you have got this, select the UVs and then use this tool called flip. On the top also I want to select this line, cut the UV edges, and select all the faces what we have, and then use planar mapping y-axis. Okay, so we have the top, we have the bottom, we have the side, then we have this one. I want to cut that and apply planar mapping, and then flip it. That's good. So press 6 on the keyboard, and this is what we have. So select all the UVs here, and then use this tool called unfold. Okay, press G on the keyboard to repeat the same tool. Okay, so you have all things unfolded. When I press 3, you might see something weird here. Now this can be fixed in the attribute editor. Okay, go to the geometry, shape, we have a smooth mesh, then you have options for UV boundary, preserve edges and corners, and then you can see that problem is getting fixed here. Okay, so that should be done in the geometry shape node. When I press 3, it should generally fix that. The checker size is way different, no problem. First we will do the cylindrical mapping to this. Close it completely. And then cut it. Okay, so select the faces on the top, apply planar mapping, and select the faces on the bottom, apply planar mapping. Select this UVs and then apply flip. Then choose unfold tool or press Ctrl U to unfold it. So once all are done here, you can open your channel box. Make sure that you have the scale value is 1. Delete the history of the both objects. So once we have done the UV unwrapping, I'm going to choose this tool called layout, and then we will just make sure that the tiles are 1 by 1 and then layout it. So what you have got here is but one thing I just wanted is all the checkers should be of same size. So I'm going to undo it, and then I'll just go to the layout tool and then pre-scaling to preserve 3D ratios. And then when we do the layout, the checkers on this model should be of uniform size. Here also we choose the preserve edges and corners feature, and then you can check by increasing the repeats. And this is the checker what we have got for this nut and bolt.